Hello. Today we're going to introduce a hero nurse in Taiwan, sometimes called the Taiwanese Florence Nightingale. Her name is Chen Kuei-yu. We'll introduce Chen's backgrounds and her achievements in nursing. Here you can see a picture of Chen Kuei-yu from relatively late in her life. Chen was born on September 2nd, 1917, in Zhenghua, Taiwan. She was born into a Christian Taiwanese family. After graduating from senior high school, she, like many new graduates, wasn't sure what she wanted to do in the future. So she went to visit her uncle in Amoy. There, Chen saw the poor environment on Amoy Street and decided that she should major in a department related to hygiene to improve public health in Taiwan. Chen went to Japan and studied at St. Luke's University. This was the first school focused primarily on public hygiene and nursing. Chen was the first Taiwanese woman to study at St. Luke's University. She learned not only about nursing, but also how to be kind to and to take care of patients. What she learned in this school affected her deeply. When she graduated in 1941, the Japanese medical community and government all hoped that she would choose to stay in Japan and be a nurse there. But Chen was Taiwanese and she loved her home country, so she insisted upon returning to Taiwan to try to make a difference back at home. Chen dedicated her entire life to nursing. She was, at different points in her history, the director of the Taipei Health Protection Nursing Department, the president of the Taipei Midwives Association, the president of the Taipei Nurses Association, the president of the National Taiwan University of Nursing, and the director of the nursing department at the National Taiwan University of Nursing. She used her skill in nursing to help many people, both through patient care and through the education of other health professionals. She also led many initiatives aimed at improving the quality of nursing in Taiwan. One area where she leveraged her experience to create reform was in her attempts to update hospital systems as the director of the nursing department at the National Taiwan University of Nursing. She changed the old system, modernizing it, and she professionalized the position of nurse. Thus, the nursing department of the Taiwan Hospital became a model for nursing in all of Taiwan. To enhance nursing skill and help reduce the nursing shortage that Taiwan faced at the time, Chen established a new nursing school at National Taiwan Hospital. This school was established in the year 1950. She was the principal of the school, and she worked hard to train new students, expanding the global awareness of nursing students and helping them study abroad, which made them better students day by day. Chen was involved in many overseas activities related to the nursing profession. She was a consultant of nursing education for the World Health Organization and a committee member of the Formosan Association for Public Affairs. She was also a member of and a consultant for the Formosan Association of Human Rights. In 1986, she launched an important movement in Taiwan called the Women's Movement for Democracy in Taiwan. She was not only the movement organizer, but also the spokesman. The Women's Movement for Democracy in Taiwan believed that educating a woman is equivalent to educating a family. Because women tend to have great influence in the home, their education benefits the entire household. This organization believed that women were powerful and could help make Taiwan better. The following year, Lu Su-lien established the North American Taiwanese Women's Association. All members of the Women's Movement for Democracy in Taiwan supported this new organization and joined. Chen joined the women's movement and worked to increase the power and the social status of women. However, because of her political activities, in 1987 she was put on a blacklist, a list of people who have done something wrong and can be arrested by the government. She was put on this list because of her outspoken support for the women's movement. Because of this, Chen found it hard to return to Taiwan. In 1988, she tried hard to get a return visa, but it was all in vain. The government would not allow her to return. As she continued to struggle to return to Taiwan, Chen grew ill. Eventually, while staying in Singapore, she managed to get a visa to return to Taiwan. Yet as soon as she arrived in her hometown of Zhenghua, she passed away. At the time, she was 73 years old. Chen was a tolerant woman. She dedicated her entire life to nursing and public health in Taiwan. She was deeply respected, not only because she helped patients, but also because she was not afraid to face difficulties in life.